बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to another lesson of double letter phonograms from Iqra Joint Handwriting Series 1. Students, as you know, we are learning sounds on daily basis. Side by side, we are doing our work on neat copies. So before starting our next lesson, let's start revising our previous phonograms. Let's start reading sounds with me. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, ao, o, u, u, ch, k, sh. R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint, O as in boy, O as in oil, as in her. Next one, as in first, as in nurse, as in warm, as in early, of ring. Clear students? So अच्छे से आप लोग भी साउंड्स रिवाइज करें. डेली बेसिस पे अगर हम साउंड्स रिवाइज करेंगे तो हमें साउंड्स लर्न हो जाएंगी और हमारा साउंड नंबर वाला क्वेश्चन भी पेपर में बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज लेसन. ओके, इट्स और टुडेज फर्स्ट 2-letter phonogram and it has 3 sounds. Let's start reading the sounds. First one, E as in eat, E as in eat, A as in bread, A as in bread, A as in great, A as in great. Okay, so what are the sounds? E, A, E, A, E, A, E. Okay, eat, bread, great. E, A, E, A, E. Clear students? Learn by heart. Okay, it's our next 2-lettered phonogram and it has only one sound. What is the sound? O as in seesaw. O as in seesaw. Seesaw, you know, it's the name of a swing. It's a swing. ठीक है, ये झूला है seesaw. O as in seesaw and it has only one sound. O sound. O. O. O as in seesaw. And students, can you tell me what is the double letter phonogram in this word? Yes, E. And what is the sound? E sound and sound number will be 1. इस तरह it can become in your paper. Okay, so you will double underline. You will underline the phonogram and then you will write the sound number. Okay, O as in seesaw. And it always used at the end of the words. Okay, as you can see here, it will be used at the end of the words. It's our today's last double letter phonogram and it also has one sound. And let's reading the sound. O as in cauliflower. O as in cauliflower. O. O. It also has one sound and it will be used in the center of the words. Okay, it will be not at the end of the word. Okay, it's also O. It's O as in law. It will be used at the end of the words. And it's O as in cauliflower and it will be used in the center of the words. And it has only one sound. Keep it in mind. Now let's move forward towards writing series. Okay students, I hope you have learned sounds. Now we are moving forward towards activity page, and what we are going to do, read, write and color. So let's start reading first of all. Okay, let's start reading. E as in meat. E as in meat. E as in ice cream. Okay. A as in head. A as in head. A as in break. A as in break. Okay, it has three sounds: E, A. Okay, come towards next phonogram. Next one. O as in draw. O as in straw. O as in lawn. O as in crawl. AW, it has only one sound. You will color the pictures and you will rewrite the words. Okay, rewrite mean you will write again. आप दोबारा से words को लिखेंगे and you will color the pictures. O as in audio. O as in aunt. Aunt. O as in autumn. N will be silent. Okay, autumn. O as in auto. Once again, audio, aunt, autumn, auto. Okay, you will rewrite the words plus you will color the pictures and you will solve this activity by heart. Now let's move forward towards writing on the board. Okay students, we are going to start writing on board. First of all, you will tell me names of lines, then we will start writing. Top line, mid line, base line, bottom line, and we are going to start from baseline. You all will be in reading position and let's start reading sounds side by side. We will do writing. Okay, our first two-lettered phonogram you can see on the board, and we are going to start writing E, A. E, A. We will touch the lines properly, we will make the triangles of A properly, and we will complete the phonogram. E, A. Okay, next one. O as in law. O as in law. O as in law. O as in law. Like this, first part of W should be like V and second part should be like U, and triangle should be 3. Triangle number 1, 2 and 3. Next one. O as in August. O as in audio. O as in August. O as in cauliflower. We will make the triangles of A and U properly and we will complete our writing. Clear students? In this way you will do your written work. Now let me show you notebook presentation, how you will do your work on each copy. Okay my dear students, it's your notebook presentation. You will mark English date, page number and Islamic date. There should be 1 inch gap plus double margin line on left side and half inch gap plus single margin line on right side. You will write your first phonogram E, A, then you skip 3 lines, then O of law, then skip 2 lines for homework, and last one O as in August. Okay, and after completing your work you will mark index. Okay students, in this way you will mark you will write index. It's for today's lesson is 6th lesson and you will write index 6 times. Okay, after completing your index you will write your diary. It's your today's diary. You will learn +2 page number 46 and 47 from Iqra writing series 1. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.